Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 110. Out here between Tonopah and Goldfield, the landscape feels endless. The air is dry, the horizon ripples, and apart from the hum of the wind, there's nothing. Just earth, sky, and time. This is central Nevada, one of the most remote regions in the continental United States. The ground beneath my feet is a mixture of volcanic ash, ancient seabed, and minerals that once drew prospectors by the thousands. Yet today it's silence that dominates. To the north lies Gemfield, a modern claim where rockhounds come to dig for colourful chalcedony and agate. To the south, Goldfield, once one of the richest mining towns in Nevada. In the early 1900s, this entire stretch of desert was alive with the sound of dynamite and pickaxes. Between 1903 and 1910, Goldfield produced over $80 million in gold, a staggering fortune for the time. But mining in the desert is never easy. Water had to be hauled in by the rail, and summer heats could climb well past 40 degrees Celsius. Workers often said that in Goldfield, the gold was easy to find. It was surviving the land that was hard. Today, most of the bustle is gone. The railway lines have vanished, and the wind has reclaimed the old wagon trails. The desert has erased the noise of the boom years, leaving behind scattered timbers, rusted cans, and the faint outline of dreams. Yet this emptiness is deceptive. Look closely and the land tells stories of ancient lakes that once filled these basins, of volcanic eruptions that created rich veins of ore, and of the persistence that defines Nevada's people. Standing here, it's easy to understand why explorers and miners both describe this region as beautifully cruel. It's barren, yes, but in that barrenness lies something pure, a reminder of how small we are and how vast the American West truly remains.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.